Good morning. For investigation 3.1, this is just a quick how-to video about how to make and add a little chart to your journal. So you'll need a new page. I happen to be on this page. And if you just hit the plus button up there, it will give you a page just like the one before. And you want to be sure to title it Investigation 3.1. And then in here, we're going to need the temperature. We're going to just abbreviate that as temp of the cold water. And we're going to leave some spaces. And that's going to be in Celsius. And then we're going to need to write our predictions. When we rub ice, we'll need a place for predictions. When we rub hands, we'll need a place for our observations for the same things. Observations, rub ice, and observations for hands. And then I left space there. If you fill up more than this vertical space allows, you'll have to highlight all of it, and then you can select a smaller font size up here, which is likely to happen. And then I'm going to make this text box a little smaller, and I'm actually going to push it clear over here because I think we're going to need a little bit more space than it will allow. And then I'm going to copy this text box. So the box itself is selected, and I'm going to, on your Chromebook, I think it's Control-C, and then Control-V, paste it, and you see how now I have a double, and then I can grab the other one, move it over here. If you don't like that option, you don't have to use it. You can just retype everything. So I'm just going to put it over here, and now we're going to have the exact same information, but for hot water. And then you'll put the temperature of the hot water in there, and that's all from the video. So you'll make predictions, obviously, before we do anything, and then observations are after you see what happened. Okay, so that's kind of how to set up your journal.